Holy shit.
Here, let me shoot it. Shoot it. There you go.
Violet.
Big time tornado, guys! Close range! RT coming! Should cross the road right in front of us! That's an F5 right there, guys. That is an F5. We're east, we're west, we're in good position. Let's get some lighting. Go by it here. Let's go by it. Lift her up. Whoa! Careful. Keep going. We got to get by it. We got to punch through. We have to. Yeah, punch through it. You're not gonna, you're safe, I promise. We got to get better lighting. All right, gun it by. Don't fuck around here. Gun it. Never mind, stop. Shut it down. What do you guys think? Are we okay here? Yeah, it's coming back. It's coming back. Back up. You got a ways to go. You're good. You got a long ways. All right. It's gonna cross right in front of us here. Keep paralleling it. You got it. Perfect. Parallel, be careful. Watch out for fine debris. Windshield wipers, multi-vortex, get by these silos! Right here's good, right here's good!
It's a violent tornado.
Yeah, it is. Ample it. That car better back up. Keep going, you're good. It's moved, it's gonna move east. I promise you're good.
I can see it.
See, it's east of the road. Look, big tornado. Big wedge forming east. Take a punch up next to it now. Hit power lines. Oh, that's fine. Swear away. The happiest man on the planet right now. Alright, you can get up there, Sean. Behind it. Let's get right up next to it. That's it. Go, go, go! Come to RFP! We're getting RFP, go! Okay, right here's good. Stop, stop, stop. No, we're okay. Rear end flow jet. Let's plus by it. Go by it. Go around to the left side. You got clearance. Okay, shoot right through there. Come on, you can get it. You can get it. Are you kidding me? I'm never going to relax in this situation. Right here, boss.
Twitter's working right here. Shit, it's just sitting there. Can you see the color cloud?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're good.